Hi, it's David Green, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the nation's leader in regenerative therapy training. In this video, I'll describe the top 4 reasons why you should incorporate ultrasound into your practice and attend injection training. The number 1 reason is that patients are getting smarter every year. And when they're receiving procedures, whether it's for regenerative therapy or other pain management situations, they really do expect image guidance now. They want to know that you're placing the needle exactly where it's supposed to be. Accuracy is king. The second reason is that ultrasound is very inexpensive compared to a C-arm, and it takes up a lot less space in the office. If you have multiple locations, you can take an ultrasound with you for your satellite locations, and it's very, very convenient. The third reason comes back to accuracy and outcomes. The more accurate you can be with your needle placement and you can see that the needle's in the joint or in the soft tissue area that's desired, it's going to lead to better outcomes and better patient satisfaction. Now, a fourth reason that you should attend ultrasound training and incorporate it into your practice is because of marketing. As I said, patients love it when providers use image guidance, whether it's ultrasound or C-arm. Those are really the 2 options. And when you can say in your marketing and in your meetings with patients, your seminars, your presentations, that you've taken the time to get highly skilled in ultrasound for their benefit, it really does resonate with patients, and they're much more likely to continue care with you and move forward with procedures than with your competitors. All right. Now, R3 offers first-rate ultrasound injection training courses. Simply click on the link below. It'll take you right to the page where you can sign up and see when the next courses are. In addition, each attendee to one of our ultrasound injection courses will receive a free regenerative biologic procedure, either with an exosome biologic or a stem cell biologic. And that is amazing because, first of all, it pays for the course in and of itself, but it will allow you to have significant empathy for your patients, and you can say, look, I've had it done, and here's what it did for me. Okay? It resonates very nicely. Thank you for watching. You can also call us at 844-GET-STEM. We'd be happy to give you all the information you need and help you sign up.